Full disclosure is that I'd never worked with that type of cabinet before. The actual product was pretty easy to work with. Everything seemed to be very simple. Initially I was like, oh my God, this is going to be complicated, this is going to be hard, but it was actually the opposite. Everything was fairly straightforward and fairly easy. My experience was that when I ran into an issue, I didn't have to go direct, try and figure out who to talk to. That to me was game changing. So I would not hesitate to recommend Form. I mean, the service, the product, all of it together, I really believe that you guys are up here. It's a cool product, and that's the wrong word, but it is. It's just it's a cool product. You're not just buying a cabinet. You're buying more than that. You're buying an experience.